Once that you identified what is the topic that you want to work on and what is the simulation that you are going to use, it's time to write the learning goals. Then first you need to think about where I want to use this activity as introduction, to practicing the topic, or like intent, like for closing the activity. It's recommendable that you only use 2 or 3 learning goals per activity, because if you want to cover a lot of information, well, students can get lost in that, and just have know all the learning goals that you want to cover can be possible. Consider a lesson sequence like the one that we have in here. One lesson is not only the worksheet, it's the beginning, the introduction, and also the discussion with your students at the end. That you have to consider all of that when you are thinking in your activity. And, well, craft your learning goals around the aspects of the simulation have. For example, in the one that we see, we have protons, we have electrons, then it's something that we include in the simulation, in the activity, sorry. Then also, you see here, the way that you were grading your results of your interaction is very similar to the way that the simulation do it. These are some of the examples of words that you can use for your learning goals. All of them are active verbs, and if you need some help, we have more documents with more verbs that can help you to draft your learning goal. These are some of the examples of learning goals that you can write. As you can see, are very simple and small. How to write learning goals for your activity. Each of the simulations, remember, that have some here as example. And these have been small, direct, and measurables. Then try to avoid this kind of learning goals, like students will understand radius or will to know how to solve equation. This intent is not telling you what about this the student need to learn. Then now that we have this information, let's continue with this document that you feel already. Choose one of the activities that you want to do, and let's start writing the learning goals.